Hello, this is Hypercoding, and today I will be teaching you variables in processing as well as some basic drawing commands. So the basic structure of a variable is var variable gets equal sign. I'll explain that later. A value. And now there are three types of variables. There's a string, which is a bit of text that you store in quotation marks, like our variable. And then there is an integer, which stores a number, like 11. There is a float, which stores an uneven number, like a decimal. Now there's also a Boolean, which gets either true or false. There is also null, which means nothing. And so our basic draw function, the first thing I'll be teaching you is the ellipse, which it will help with understanding how to put variables into functions. And so you can see we have our ellipse at the x-coordinate, y-coordinate, width, and height. And so how this works is you get your draw function. All functions are always followed by parentheses and end with a semicolon. And then so you get the x position, y position, the width, and the height. I can't spell height today. Okay. So to pass a variable into a function, first let's make our variables x position, y position, width, shape width. We'll cover that redefinition problem later. And shape height. So now what you want to do is replace the x, y, width, and height, or anything really, any one parameter. That's what we call these guys that go inside the parentheses, into the function. So ellipse, our x position, our y position, our shape width, and our shape height. So that would be the same thing if we passed these same numbers in this order into the parameters, into the function. And then another handy draw function is Rect, which draws a rectangle. And now the positioning for a rectangle is actually a bit different. So with an ellipse, you control the center with the positions. But with a rect, or a rectangle, you control the upper left corner. So this right here of the positions. So if I passed these same parameters into the rect that we have in the ellipse, our previously defined variables, then you see that the upper left corner is at the exact center of the circle. So this proves that this means that our control points are correct. So now you can change this with modes like rect mode, but we'll get to that later. And I really think I've covered all of that for today. Yeah. So I'll see you in the next video, I guess. Bye.